Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to convert PDF to Excel. So open your Adobe Acrobat first, then click on File, which is top left corner. Now click on Open. Now you can see that choose the PDF, click on Open, and you can see this is one PDF format. So how you can make this Excel format? You have to click on this tools, which is top. Now click on Export. If you don't find here, look for the right section, export PDF, this one, export PDF. Click on this and choose Word document, or you can choose this one, 93 to 2003. I'm choosing the first one, Word document, and this one you should click on spreadsheet. Choose spreadsheet, not Word. Choose spreadsheet. Now click on export. Now choose the destination where you want to save this, and then click on save. All done. Now if you want to view this thing, okay, wait, you have to wait for this till it's done. I'll be right back when it's complete. Here you can see that the PDF has been gone to Excel again. Okay guys, if you want to zoom this thing, you can zoom it. So this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.